In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate to events. We're keeping this simple and focused. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reach the events section by using the left-hand menu, hovering over Watch, and clicking Events. Even though it's a short action, I'll walk you through the details so it's smooth the first time you do it. Start by orienting yourself to the interface. Look to the left side of your screen for the main navigation panel. This is the vertical menu that stays visible as you move around. If your window is narrower, the menu may appear as a slim bar with icons. That's okay, just move your cursor to that left edge and it will often expand or reveal labels as you hover. Now locate the item labeled Watch. It may be accompanied by an icon, but the key is the label. Place your mouse pointer over Watch and pause without clicking. Hovering simply means holding your cursor over the item so the system can show you more options. Give it a brief moment. Many interfaces use a slight delay to prevent accidental menus from popping open. When the submenu appears, look for events in the list that drops down or slides out. Keep your cursor steady and move directly to events. If you notice the submenu disappearing, try keeping your mouse movement smooth and within the menu's boundary. Moving too far away can close it. Once you have events highlighted, click it once. A single click is all you need. After you click, the events page will begin to load. You'll typically see a page title or header that clearly says events, along with a list, calendar, or cards representing upcoming items. If you see a brief loading indicator or spinner, that's normal. Just give it a moment. When the content appears, you're in the right place. A couple of quick tips to keep things consistent. If you don't immediately see Watch in the left-hand menu, check that the sidebar isn't collapsed. Hovering near the left edge usually reveals it. If you still don't see the Watch label, try scrolling within the sidebar. Some menus are longer than the visible space and include a scroll bar. And remember, hovering requires no click. Just position the cursor over Watch until the submenu appears. That's all there is to it. Hover over Watch in the left-hand menu, then click Events. With this pathway clear, you can get to the Events section confidently whenever you need it.